So you might be thinking, you know, I love the look of Tunisian crochet, but I just don't think it's for me. It looks like it's too difficult and complicated. Well, I used to think that too, and I put off learning it for a long time. But then once I learned it, I found out really it's easy. The most basic stitch is called the Tunisian Simple Stitch, and they call it that for a reason, because it's really easy. If you look on my Instagram, you'll see I have a free micro project that allows you to learn Tunisian crochet with just a regular crochet hook. So give that a try. You know, the thing with Tunisian crochet is, even with just this one type of stitch, the Tunisian Simple Stitch, you can make all kinds of projects, even complicated ones if you choose. And just like regular crochet, there are easy projects and there are fancy projects. And with Tunisian crochet, even the fancy ones are really not that hard if you just take it slow. And my course, my Tunisian course, holds your hand and walks you step by step through all of it. It's really not hard. So take a look on my Instagram. You'll see this image and try making this. I have a detailed video that instructs you literally, really slowly, step by step, with a regular crochet hook. So give that a try.